So now let us move with this first point, that is quick access toolbar. This toolbar is located at the top left corner of the program window. It contains the PowerPoint icon which has functions similar to the control buttons. Apart from this, it also has the save, redo and undo buttons. This quick access toolbar topic with the help of this particular diagram. As you can see in this diagram, this is the upper part of this particular window, and this is known as the quick access toolbar. This option this option contains the PowerPoint logo and save button, as well as redo and undo option is also present upon this whole or present on this particular topic or this particular headline. So let's come to the next point, that is tabs. There are 9 tabs located below the quick access toolbar. Each tab opens a new ribbon which has many tools and commands. The tabs are File, Insert, Design, Transition, Animations, Slideshow, Review and View. So now let us understand this topic with this particular diagram. So this is your tab option. You can see clearly that's below the quick access toolbar. This whole option is known as tab option, and there are totally 9 tabs. You can see File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View. These total there are 9 tabs just present below the quick access toolbar. So this is your tab. I hope you have understood this. So next topic is ribbon. All the tools and commands of a tab are shown on the ribbon section. By default, the ribbon of home tab is visible on the program window. So again, let us go with this particular diagram. As you can see in this diagram, so this just below the tab, this whole box, you can see this whole big box is known as ribbon. So if you are selecting file option, then the options present on the file will show on this ribbon. If you click on home, then the home options will be displayed on this particular ribbon. Same will go for insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review and view. आप जिस किसी भी टैब के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे वो ऑप्शन आपके सामने यहाँ पे रिबन पे ओपन हो जाएगा. So this is all about ribbon. So next we'll go to slides, outline, preview, pane. So what do you mean by slide, outline, preview, pane? So let us read this topic. This section is located below the ribbon on the left side. It has 2 parts, slides and outline. When you click on the slide option, it will show you thumbnail of the different slides in the presentation. So now let us understand this topic with this diagram. You can see on the left hand side, that is on this side. On the left hand side you have 2 options, slides and outline. If you click on slides, you will get this kind of preview, and if you click on outline, you will get different types of preview. That means slides and outline preview pane is present on the left side of the whole PowerPoint window. That means this side. Our next topic is status bar. This bar is located at the bottom of the program window and contains important details about the presentation. It shows the slide number and the theme used in presentation and the language format, as you can see in this diagram. So this is our status bar. Status bar means how many slides we have taken, what is the official theme or the office theme which we have selected, and the language which we have selected, as you can see in this, but in the bottom of this whole window. So this is the status bar. And next one is slide pane. This is the blank area in the middle of the program window where we work on the slides one at a time. This is similar to the work area of MS Word or the drawing area of Paint. As you can see in this diagram, this in between there is a blank space. This is known as slide pane. In this slide pane we can perform our work on PowerPoint presentation. Either we can add pictures, either we can add videos, or we can add text on this particular white space, and this is known as slide pane. Next, the last topic is notes pane. This area is located below the slide pane. If you want any additional note to be attached to the slide that you are working on, you can add the note here. That means suppose in this particular diagram we'll understand what do you mean by notes pane. Suppose we have to prepare any document upon water, so you have written each and everything on this slide pane. The important topics when you want to explain, that means the important topics you have to write down somewhere. So instead of writing on paper, there is an option in the PowerPoint itself. Click to add notes. As you can see here, this is known as notes pane. You can write your important notes regarding any particular topic which you are going to perform. You can write the notes, important notes on this. Click to add notes on this particular panel. This is known as notes pane.